In this video, I am going to show you super quick, easy farmhouse Halloween DIYs. For this one, I'm taking the house frame from Dollar Tree, and I just took it apart and I traced around a piece of scrapbook paper, and that is what that shiplap is. And then I cut this out on my Cricut, and I will put it down onto the paper. If you don't have a Cricut, this is super easy because all you could do is just print it off your printer and then cut the paper to size. So I just happen to like the shiplap look, and so I am just putting the vinyl on top of that. And then I'm just going to, oh, I forgot to mention, I painted the frame of the house black, and I just used Waverly black paint. It might have a fancy name, but it's just the black. And then I'll put all of this back together, and I'm gonna just sand a little bit of the house frame just to give it a little bit more of a rustic look. And that's it, just a really cute farmhouse looking sign. And then I'll add a little buffalo check bow, and that's it. Just a quick and easy project. These shiplap shapes from Dollar Tree are perfect for farmhouse, and so I went ahead and I painted them in linen from Rust-Oleum. And then I'm going to take some of these rub-ons also from Dollar Tree, and I just cut out the ones that I want, Trick or Treat and Happy Halloween, and then I just rub them on. Then I'm just going to add a little buffalo check bow at the top, and that's it. Super quick, super easy farmhouse Halloween signs. For this wreath, I'm going to use these little white pumpkins. They're from Target, and it was $3 for the pack. And then I'm going to use one of these, wired hanging things. So what it's supposed to do is be like this sphere thing that you decorate from Dollar Tree, but I just needed one of the wires. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out and leave those other ones for another project. And then the two buffalo check pumpkins you see there, those are from a bouquet that I bought at Walmart. It was a beautiful fall bouquet for $5, and these didn't work for me in the other bouquet, which is in another video you will see coming out soon. So I'm just going to kind of line these up how I would like them on the wreath. I'm just going to do the lower half of the wreath. Now, because it's wire and things just don't stick to wire that well, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take some black ribbon and wind it around the wire. I'm just going to do this for the bottom half. And now I am going to glue the pumpkins on. So I experimented one off camera, and so now I'll show you how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to glue the pumpkin to the wire form here. And because it has ribbon over it now, it'll stick much better. And then I'm going to take a piece of the black ribbon, and I'm going to glue it long ways and short ways over the pumpkin to give it that extra adherence to the wreath form. I'm just going to continue doing this for all of the pumpkins, and the wreath is almost complete, but of course it's going to need a buffalo check bow for the top. I do just a simple like tie your shoe kind of bow at the top, and that's it. A very easy Halloween, and could even just be used for fall in general, farmhouse wreath. I would love if you came over and visited me on Instagram. My name over there is $__mom, and over there I share all the projects I make, how I decorate, hauls, as well as other budget-friendly items. So I hope you'll come over and watch me over there. I'm absolutely loving my membership over at Creative Fabrica, and that is where I downloaded this Halloween porch sign. It's also where I got the first Home Sweet Haunted House SVG as well. For just $1 your first month, you can download unlimited SVG, sublimation, craft projects, all sorts of items. So I will link that down in the description box. And as you can see here, I just added some ribbon to the top and a little fuzzy spider. It's from a pack that I picked up from the 99-cent store. However, I'm sure Dollar Tree has a similar spiders. And I just think this makes the cutest farmhouse porch sign. I love these pumpkins from Dollar Tree. Of course, they didn't have the letter that I would like, so I just grabbed a random one, knowing that I would cover it. So I'm going to use Velcro so that I can change it out for fall as well. And then I just cut out a piece of scrapbook paper and put it on the circle, and then add the wood ghost that's also from Dollar Tree on top. And again, I can just pop this off and I can put another circle down that will work for fall. Here's a quick pumpkin makeover from the new black pumpkins that Dollar Tree came out with. I'm just going to pop out the middle, and I'm going to have just a little there for to tuck the ribbon down in there, and I will glue it all the way around a couple times, add a bow, and I will add one of the little twigs there for the stem, and a cute little farmhouse Halloween pumpkin. I hope you enjoyed these quick farmhouse Halloween decor DIYs. And until next time, happy crafting!